In this video, I will show how to download and install WPS software in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. View and edit all your documents with ease, writer, spreadsheet, presentation, and the PDF toolkit. One of the best alternatives to Microsoft Office. So visit this URL. Just you have to type wps.com. So you will see this page. So here guys, you have to download about 5 MB. So download and save it. And once you done, double click on this setup file. And it's not virus, as we can see the result here for antivirus. Now double click on this setup file. Check this box and install. Now wait for a few seconds till this installing process will be complete. Now once you're done, click on get started. So this is the way guys you can download and install WPS in your Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel. In next video, I will show you how to use WPS Office. So stay tuned and please subscribe this channel.